Have you been feeling chronically tired no matter how much sleep you get? Have you done everything your doctor recommends, yet still feel like something's missing? Do you constantly feel like you forgot something? No matter what you do, are you always battling that uncomfortable feeling of bloating? Are your joints constantly aching, leaving you feeling fragile in your bones? And are you sick of taking handfuls of pills and slugging down disgusting powders that all claim to help? If any of these describes you and your situation, it's a good bet. Your cells are toxic. Your ailing body and mind are telling you that they desperately need daily nourishment and cleansing. They need a reboot at a cellular level. As we age, our body naturally slows down. Along with that natural slowing, our body's immune defenses weaken and require reinforcement. This is just something our bodies are not equipped to handle alone, no matter who you are. As a nutritionist, one of the questions I am most commonly asked by my clients who are seeking a renewed mind and body is, am I too late? Can I remove these toxins and renew my cells? The answer is simple. Yes, you can. It's time to do this the natural way. By focusing on the toxins in your cells, the root cause of everything from a sluggish mind to a bloated belly, from total body fatigue and feeling weaker to joint discomfort and inflammation. If you know how to properly feed your cells, they start to restore and renew themselves, and over time will be able to better fend off the toxins your body is attacked by every day. Your cells can then go back to working naturally to fight off those toxins the way they should. That means you may be able to get rid of all those different pills and powders and start feeling like yourself again, healthy and full of life. You just need to know the proper fuel your cells need to help cleanse and renew themselves. And the solution? Well, turns out that it is a pretty deep dive. The secret to optimal cellular health lies beneath the sea, and it was discovered over 40 years ago. I'm going to recommend to you exactly what you need to help your body's cells work more efficiently and manage the toxins we are all exposed to every day. Discover SeaTox Cleanse Renew, harnessing the power of the ocean to rejuvenate your body and mind. SeaTox is a symphony of nature's best. Over 40 trace minerals, 11 vital vitamins, all 9 essential amino acids, 20 other amino acids, 6 distinct enzymes, and 3 bioelements, combined with antioxidants and phytonutrients, all nestled within our exclusive blend of 7 wild-harvested sea vegetables. Why refine perfection? Because the world has changed. Simply put, it's the easiest way to get what your cells need. If your cells are healthier, you will be and feel healthier. SeaTox customers tell us every day that SeaTox helps them reduce the number of supplements and powders they use daily. If you're still not convinced, this deal lets you try SeaTox with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Superfood. Super simple. Super results.